Hey guys, welcome back to another YouTube video. Today we are going to be exploring that abandoned trailer. Got my flashlight on to make it a bit more creepy, I guess. Whoa, what's that? Oh, never mind. That just so we could. So I have flashlights now, and in case now you can. I'm doing this right now because I'm not doing part 2 tomorrow. I might do part 3, but oh, this is scaring me a bit. I have flashlights and I also have a lantern. So I don't know if we might be okay. But this is the last part I'm making for today. And I gotta be back pretty soon. So I wonder what we could do. In case you didn't know why I ran away last time, that was because I heard a kind of a rattling sound. Oh, the crickets. I don't really know. I was originally going to name this Flashlights. I was going to call it Flashlights. I don't feel safe. I don't feel good. Oh, wait, hold on. Just give me a second. I don't know if I really want to do this, actually. Now that we got my lantern. Oh my gosh. I am not good. Oh, I don't even want to explore this anymore. Whoa. Wait, hold on, wait, just give me a second. Let me turn this off so I won't waste its battery. Do you see that, or is that just me? Is that a star? Star fruit is real. Plants with zombies is real. Real. Zombies. Speaking of zombies, I feel like there might be some sort of dangerous fungi or I don't know, something that could cause an apocalypse. Wait, I'm looking at the right one, right? Oh my gosh, this rainbow singing the Static King is making it way more creepy. Oh, this is just disturbing to look at. Oh. I do not feel good with this. I'd rather prefer exploring this with someone, but here's the thing. I will not record it. I will not have permission to show them onto any type of social media stuff. I would never do that to someone. Unless they actually show the face or something. I don't care. I have to ask them for permission. But if they say it anyway, if they will let me anyway, I probably just won't do it anyway. But yeah. Let's make this more disturbing to look at. Oh yeah, the guy that we explored with this, he said that he could edit it to add some analog horror creatures, so I'm gonna do some editing right now. And make it seem like something runs out. Okay, and when it says clip on the top, right here, that is when the editing starts. Oh my gosh, what is that? Okay, that's it, guys. Bye. Wait. I feel like something might actually be there. If you see anything, I promise I did not edit it. Oh, I see some faces on there. Never mind, I gotta go, guys. Bye.